There are plenty of great ways to market your business, but few are as effective as online marketing. Online marketing is an effort to spread the word about your company via the internet. It's a more realistic and cost-effective option than others, so it might be time to look into what it has to offer. Keep watching to learn how your business can benefit from online marketing, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Have a strategy. You could have unlimited funding, but if you don't know your brand inside and out, you'll end up wasting a ton of time and money. Take the time to figure out what your brand is, how you want it to look to customers, and ways that you want that to happen. To save yourself time, you can have a marketing team handle all your social media needs. You can also prepare and schedule content in advance, so your audience can consistently count on you for great content. Build your funnel. Your sales funnel is the driving force that takes customers from would-be customers to satisfied ones. To refine your funnel, break down the customer journey beginning with the awareness stage. In this stage, they first learn about your business. Keep refining all the way through the funnel until the process is perfect, right down to the purchase stage. Facebook advertising. Facebook can help you build your audience, create ads catered to them, and learn how to test each ad's results. It also includes a handy tool called Facebook Pixel, which is a code placed on your website. It collects data that helps you track conversions from Facebook ads, optimize ads, build targeted audiences for future ads, and retarget to people who have already taken some kind of action on your website. SEO. Search engine optimization is the process of increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of a website or a web page to users of a web search engine. SEO refers to the improvement of unpaid results and excludes the purchase of paid placement. Be sure to have interesting content to make people want to stay for as long as possible. Set analytics goals. Google Analytics is a free web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic, currently as a platform inside the Google Marketing Platform brand. Within it, you can set specific goals from specific pages or actions on your site, meaning setting a certain number of engagements with a post. Remember to check your analytics often so you can tweak anything as needed. Engagement emails. Instead of sending an email following the same format every day, week, or month, try to switch it up and keep your customers on their toes. To increase engagement, try sending emails that require some sort of interaction with the customer. It can be anything from clicking a link to watching a video embedded in the email. Present yourself professionally. Not only does that mean steering clear of drama, but it also entails keeping your website neat and tidy. Images must be in the right dimensions, the speed of the site must be optimized, and your social media profiles should have the same theme. Make sure you're sending the right tone to your audience. The road to success is not a paved path, but it is achievable. Consider integrating online marketing into your current system and watch the numbers roll in. Get in touch to find out how we can help. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.